Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Ethernet does not have valid IP configuration. This is the problem. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay. Then you will follow to the steps to you will fix this problem. Go to the first step for change the DNS server. Click to the search bar. Search the control panel. Click to open. Click to the network and internet. Click to the network and sharing center. See the change adapter settings. See the Ethernet, then right click to properties. Click to change the Internet Protocol version 4 to click to properties. You will pass the server for open an IP address automatically. You will send server use the following DNS server address. You will change the DNS server address for 8888 8844. After click to OK. Then go to the next step for reset the network. Go to click to the search bar, search the settings, click to enter to you will see the network and internet, see the advanced network setting, see the network reset, you will click to reset now for the network, okay. After finally, you will check the internet connection for the Ethernet any internet connection for any device not respond. You are connecting device for not responding or any network slow, you will get check, okay. Finally, you will click to the Windows icon to get restart your PC or laptop. So this problem is for solved. After you get check this error for fix this problem. Okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.